Hello everybody! Today we show you how to make homemade sausage rolls. First, skin your sausage, add to a bowl and mash it up. Like this until nice and minced up. Will look like this when you finish. Add 1 teaspoon water, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Again, you need to mix it up. You want flavor and season, go all through the meat. No, very good, mix one hand. I put camera down. Here we go. Now, spread out your puff pastry. Only £1 20p in Lidl. Nice and puffy, this pastry. Slice in half, long ways, like this. Once cut in half, separate the two slices. Then you will fill with your pork meat, like this. Just put in center. Next, we roll the pastry over and half like this. Then we get fancy. Once it's rolled, we will mark it all. For nice crispy side, you push down on the sides with a fork, like this. Then slice up your sausage rolls, whatever size you want. Final step, crack egg in bowl and whisk. Like this. We use this to make sausage rolls very, very crispy. You see, we have big and small for us and for baby. You cut to your preference. Then wash the sausage rolls with the egg. Perfect. Just a little bit to cover. Finally, find right spatula. I was using wrong spatula. Then into air fryer or oven if you prefer. Oven take longer. I do on 160 in air fryer for 20 minutes. Do 16 start, then check and do another 4 minutes. Easy peasy. Then take out. You will see perfect, lovely jubbly, homemade sausage rolls. Quarter price of Greggs.